Well, a case of smart girls fitting into a smart car, perhaps. 19 female students in Karachi fit into a smart car to get their names into the Guinness Book of World Records.
Let's take a look at that. Now, during a gathering at the Creek Club in Karachi, 19 female students squeezed into a two-door smart car to break a previous record of 18 girls fitting into a similar car. Now, the previous record was achieved by girls in Australia, and according to the female students in Karachi, all the necessary formalities for setting the record have been completed, and the record was witnessed. Just take a look at that picture. Stuffed in like sardines, but they've achieved it. Now, this event was witnessed by prominent personalities, including the Speaker of the Sindh Assembly, Nisar Khodo, and former cricketers Wasim Akram and Salim Yusuf.
Remain seated and witness the history.